Hey everyone, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to quickly write your very first JavaScript program and understand where JavaScript can run. This is a simple setup episode, so don't worry about deep concepts yet. Before writing any code, let's make one thing clear. JavaScript can run in three common places. It can run inside the browser console, inside an HTML page using a script tag, and inside online tools where you can practice instantly without installing anything. Let's start with the easiest option, the browser console. Open your browser, open Developer Tools, and go to the Console tab. This console is a place where you can quickly test JavaScript. Now look at the screen and type this: console.log hello JavaScript. Press Enter and you'll see the text printed immediately. This is your first JavaScript output. JavaScript works by executing instructions and showing results, and console.log is the simplest way to see what your code is doing. Now let's see how JavaScript works inside a web page. This is how JavaScript is usually used in real projects. Look at the screen. We have two files. One is an HTML file called index.html, and the other is a JavaScript file called app.js. In the HTML file, we add a script tag that connects to app.js. The idea is simple. The browser loads the HTML first, and then it runs the JavaScript file. Inside app.js, you can write the same console.log code. When you open the HTML file in the browser and then open the console, you'll see the output there. That means your JavaScript is running successfully inside the page. Now, if you don't want to create files or install anything, you can also run JavaScript using online tools. There are tools like JSFiddle, CodePen, and StackBlitz that let you write and run JavaScript directly in the browser. These are great for beginners to practice quickly. For practice, I've shared a GitHub link in the description. That link contains a single JavaScript file created for beginners. You can open that file and run the code using any online tool and practice at your own pace. You don't need to create or share anything. That's it for this episode. Today, you learned where JavaScript can run, how to use the browser console, how JavaScript works inside an HTML page, and where you can practice online. In the next episode, we'll talk about variables, let and const, and the real beginner mistakes that confuse most people when they start JavaScript. Thanks for listening. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly JavaScript episodes. Check the description for the practice file, and I'll see you in the next episode.